Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog we're going to make simple and easy recipe called chocolate chip cookies. Especially kids love this. So here we've got a few ingredients. So first of all I'm going to show you that we're going to use half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, cupcake cases, half cup of milk, and you can use vanilla essence, but I'm using cinnamon powder, and that's half cup of butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of plain flour, all-purpose flour. And over here is some dark chocolate chips and fudge pieces. So let's start. So as you all can see, I have softened the butter. I've kept it for, I've kept it outside for about 15 minutes. It has to be softened. So let's blend it. I've whisked the butter and the sugar, and as you all can see, the mixture. So now we're going to add the eggs. 2 eggs. And the cinnamon powder is going to go in. Okay. So here we're going to add 1 teaspoon. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 and 2 and a bit more. Okay, so we've added this, and for a final touch I thought I would add some of the rose flavoring. It's just a tiny drop for the essence. It's just optional if you want to. So now I'm just going to whisk this off. So as you all can see, the mixture is ready. So we're going to add the plain flour. So let me just get a spoon. Okay, just going to add bit by bit into our mixture, and then actually we're not going to whisk it, we're going to do it by a spatula. So here, as you all can see, the counter on the side is so messy. So we're just going to whisk this. Okay, so just mix this very well. Okay. You can use a rubber spatula. Well, I'm using a spoon because it's easier for me. And now we're going to add the half cup of milk that we had measured, bit by bit. Just going to mix it. Okay. So now we're going to add another half bit of our flour, and that's finished. And then finally the rest of the milk. And then it's all done. Now we're just going to mix this. Just looks nice. So I'm just going to mix this very well. As y'all can see, the dough looks perfect. It's just there's something missing, and that is chocolate chips. So we're just going to add that, all of it in. Going to mix this. Okay. So we have everything in this: baking powder, sugar, every single thing. So just checking. And the mixture, the dough looks very nice. Oops. Okay. Never mind, a chocolate chip just fell. So here our chocolate chip cupcakes mixture is ready to go into the cases. So here we're just going to put the mixture in. Very small amount in each cupcake case. Okay, this is, should have used 2 spoons, but wait, hang on, I need to fix this. Okay, so that's our first one done. Let me just get a spoon. Okay, using a teaspoon. Just gonna take this and then so don't like overload the cupcake cases because they need to rise. So don't do that. See, I love cooking, but only sometimes when I'm in the mood of cooking. So, but at the moment I'm making videos, so yeah. Okay, this one is nearly about to fall. Okay, so here is the next third one. I'm gonna take this one too, and we're gonna do the same thing, repeat, just fill in the cases. See my baby brother, he is standing and waiting for the cupcakes to be ready. Okay. So guys, all the cupcake cases were finished, so I have to put it in the cake tin. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. So guys, ये है हमारा final look. I hope you like it. At the moment ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही गर्म है, so I am ready to touch them. Well, they turned out to be delicious.